Okay. Welcome back to AK Events Backstage Pass. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're setting up for an anniversary / Christmas romantic room setup. If that makes any sense, but let's get started. I got red rose petals, white rose petals, red backdrop, little red heart confetti, sticky tack, candles, 2 Santa hats to fit into that Christmas theme, and then 2 big balloons that say Mr. and Mrs. plus 4 smaller helium balloons. Start the room setup. The idea I had for today was just a pretty kind of vibe, and the colors I went with were just plain white and then silver and red as well to accent obviously Christmas. The room alone already is so beautiful that it shocks you when you do enter. I have this balloon inflated. I'm gonna just put that. I think I want those, so we're just gonna go ahead and tie that on the pillow so it stays up like that. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, it's coming together. Firstly, I'm gonna use the red rose petals, a heart on the bed. So I'll bring it closer so you can see. It scared me. It's so annoying. Okay, well, 1 balloon popped, but it's okay. We're still positive. On this I'm good. I'm just trying to figure this out. I'm about to do the rose petals on the bed. Invest in good rose petals, but this was on the budget, which we love as well. No complaints. Okay, now I think that's too wide. Is it? Okay. Does that look better, guys? I can't really tell. Okay, I think that's good. I don't think I like that. It looks like MS Plus, not N plus S. Oh my gosh. It looks like an MS Plus, which means we're gonna have to do that over again. Okay, I think I love that. That is so much better. Yo, how does that look? There's this little thing that's bothering me, but oh, the space. This space is bothering me. The space between the M. I think that makes it better. So we're gonna go back to the front door and put the door curtain up. It should fit this. I don't know if it would fit. I don't think it would fit over there. What I was thinking of doing was putting it between there, but it's not long enough. I think that would have been really pretty though. Maybe if I just need some sort of strength. Maybe if oh, that ripped. I'm gonna staple that together. I didn't bring any tape either, but I do have sticky tack. I think I'm gonna use the string in itself. Put that into. Smoke that. I'm gonna attempt to tie the string through that. I can use sticky tack, staple that so it doesn't fall. Staple that kind of part. I used one of the strings and then I looped it in this little hole and then tied it around and stapled it on the end. Oh, there's no music playing. There's no music. Why isn't there any music? Gotta get some music going. I'm trying to do it exactly how I did the other side, which is, I think I have a good hour. I honestly just need to staple this other string. Okay, now I'm gonna use some sticky tack. Oh, how will I do this though? You think it's long enough to put on the very, very top? Let me get a chair. Fingers crossed I don't fall. I don't trust this. Okay, yeah. Saw that coming as well. Oh my days. It ripped so much. If anything has annoyed me, that was it. It ripped. See if I can staple it back together. It's up, but it's fallen a bunch of times. I'm gonna staple it so it doesn't even think of falling. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. We're gonna go back in the room because I need to set up the rest of the heart confetti and then lastly the white rose petals. So I have to set it up in a way that when the door opens, it doesn't knock all of it away. I want them to stop at the chair first because that's where the ropes are gonna be. This is how many that's left. And I still have a decent amount to go. But, okay. I'm gonna use this red confetti and basically put it in between the white rose petals. And my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna have to set up and just go through everything quickly, put all the finishing touches, and then I'm gonna do one final video of everything on my YouTube, but you can see the spiced up video on my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. So yeah, for now I'm gonna go off, finish a room, and then I'll be right back. The date cake, that's for 2 people? Just one serving? Okay.
Would you like to order that?
Yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to decide between 2. Yeah, could I get the date cake? A brown sugar spice date cake, please? 2 of those?
So 2 cakes.
Yeah, 2 date cakes. Okay, that should be everything. Okay, thank you so much. My camera was about to die, but I thought I'd record that because It was just fun. Hey guys, I'm proud to say that I'm almost done. Candles, nothing too fancy. The room already smells, I'm not kidding, the room when you walk in already smells gorgeous and amazing. So they're unscented. I'm just gonna put these candles along the walkway. Just gonna put final touches. So they're almost here. How could I forget? Food came. Look how good that looks. I believe it's some kind of toffee cake. Toffee, and then that's a pear, I believe. I'm not too sure. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and line the rest of these candles up along the wall. I think I was dreading the candles just because I didn't really want to light all of them, but it's okay. I'll make it look better. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. I'm happy to... I'm excited to film and take final pictures and light all the candles because they're almost here, so I have to be gone. Oh, I'm finally done. Are you ready to see the room? Let's go. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.